Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss something very interesting, which is how to create variants for your products. So let's first understand what are variants. Let's say we go into this product and we view it in the store. We can see that this product appears, but what if we want that the customer should be able to select the size of the product before buying it? So in order to do that, we can go into products and we can duplicate this product. And let's say we've got three sizes for this product. The first size is UK 6, the second size is UK 7, and the third one is UK 8. What we are going to do is first copy this code and then go in here and duplicate this product. And we are going to create two duplicates. And after that, we are going to edit the first product. We are going to go into edit. We are going to go into variant. Select the parent product as itself because this is the base product. Sorry, I did not copy it properly. Let me go back and copy the code properly. Variant title is size and variant is UK 6. And the position of this variant would be 1. And I'll save that. I'll go back. And as you can see, the first product is showing UK size. I'm going to do the same thing, repeat that for the second and the third product as well. So I'm going to go into edit. I'm going to go into variant. Select the first product that we did in the previous step because the base product is still the same. Select size and UK 7. Variant position this time is 2. And I'm going to go into basic and I'm going to change the name of the product into the same name. And I'm going to save that. Go back. Do the same thing here. Go into variant. I'm going to first rename it to the same name. Go into variant. Select the first product as the base product. Put in the title and UK 8, and this is the third variant, and I'm going to save that. If I go back, I can see that for the same product we've got three different products with UK 6, UK 7 and UK 8. If I go back into this product and then refresh it, I can see that now I can see UK 6, UK 7 and UK 8 sizes out here. So a person can actually select that size and then add to cart. Now out here what's happened is UK 7 has been added to cart, UK 8 has not been added and UK 6 has not been added. Let's say if a customer wants to add UK 6 as well and he wants to order 2 pieces of that, then out here what has happened is if you go to the cart, 2 quantities of UK 6 has been added into your cart and 1 quantity of UK 7 has been added. So it is very important to understand that these, by copying and pasting and creating a variant in this manner, would mean that you can actually change the description as well as the name and photographs of the product for each variant. So let's say you've got t-shirts and you've got t-shirts in different colors. You can have different photographs for all the variants of those products. So let's say if I were to select a white t-shirt, then it will show me white t-shirts photograph, and a black t-shirt would show me a black t-shirts photograph. What I can also do is if I go back home, and as you can see that the variants are showing in a drop down, what we can also do is go into a setting. So I'll go into my settings here and go into shop settings. Remember, anytime you're looking for settings, you can even search it from here, but I'm telling you where it is. And if I go back here, and there is something called as the pills. I'm trying to find it manually. If I can't find it manually, I'm going to just look for pills out here. And this setting shows me that the product should be showing, the product variant would be shown in pills. I'm going to switch this on and I'm going to show you what's the effect. Now if I look into it, the same sizes are being shown in terms of in form of pills rather than in form of actual drop downs. So that's about it in creating variants for your same product. One more thing you need to remember is that you can do the same thing, you can achieve the same thing using an Excel sheet import as well, rather than doing it one by one. So keep that in mind and play around with it. You'll be all set. Thank you. Bye bye.